The new rules for credit scores when buying a home. It's loan level pricing. That is the new benefit to you. Well, can my scores be lower than they were before? Well, yes, sort of. Okay, we can get you a loan with pretty much any credit score. Now, if you've got below a 500 score, we want to get it up to at least 500 because you're going to need a massive amount of money down if you're below 500. But I can get you a loan all day long with any credit score. Give me a call. What's the difference between FICO and credit? There's actually added and taken away parts of your credit. So you borrow money and you make payments, that's your credit score. How long have you done it? How many payments have you made on time? How many times have you been late? Are you paying extra? What's the amount, the balance of the credit that you borrowed versus the actual amount that you owe? The FICO score adds in some other factors like your utility bill, your cell phone bill. It all affects revolving credit. So there's all little pieces that actually make up a bigger portion of your credit score, which is FICO. So what are the other new rules? Well, the fees will not be as high. So there's a spread of fees between a lower score and a higher score. They're trying to bridge the gap. They're not hurting people with a lower score as much as they were versus now they're hurting people with a higher score. Now this is a good one. This is a big one. They're adding your rental payment history. So I hope you paid your rent on time, and I guess you did too. That will actually open up to having more people having more credit scores, which actually opens up more borrowers, which actually extends the amount of credit that lenders are willing to give. Borrowees, is it? Or borrowers, right? So the minimum score really hasn't changed. 500 minimum is easy to do. Any score at all. 620 is ideal in FHA. 640, I think it is for VA. Conventional loans are going to be in that 620 range as well. Your middle score needs to be at these levels. I would suggest your lowest score is there because then it doesn't question anything else. It's pretty easy to boost your score, but that's for a different video. Certain medical bills history is being removed from your credit score. Now, here's the common thing. What they're trying to do and what they are doing, and they're trying to make it easier and trying to make it better and trying to benefit the consumer by adding these and taking some of these things away. It is supposed to be more streamlined and it is supposed to help others be able to get credit, borrow money, and be a heck of an American. All right, so how many people does this affect? Over 100 million. It should be an increase of score is the bottom line. So any changes that have come, and a lot of these changes happened this year, and a lot of them are happening next year, and they're happening throughout the year, so the change won't come overnight, but your scores will increase and be better and benefit from this. Give us a comment too. We do answer all communication. We're happy to help in any way that we can. We hope you found this video helpful. And if you did or didn't, we'd like to hear from you.